what happens if you, after 50, only eat beef for 30 days. No veggies, no carbs, no sugar, just beef day in and day out.
Beef. Even the thought of it makes your taste buds come alive. Do you love beef? I sure do. It's a favorite dish, enjoyed worldwide, from fancy restaurants in Paris to roadside grills in the United States. Imagine a perfectly cooked steak, seared on the outside, giving off the mouth-watering aroma of butter, garlic, and fresh herbs. As the knife glides through, the tender, juicy meat reveals itself, pink in the center and bursting with flavor. The first bite, a blend of natural sweetness and rich, buttery fat that melts on your tongue, creating a symphony of taste. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? But today, we're taking a different approach. After eating nothing but beef for 30 days, will you still love it as much as you do now?
How will your body react? Will your health improve, or are you signing up for a whirlwind of unexpected issues? It's a question that sparks curiosity, but also stirs up plenty of debates. So, let's see what really happens over the course of 30 days if you eat nothing but beef. We'll explore changes in taste, mental clarity, and the physical transformations that might surprise you along the way. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only. Before attempting any diet, be sure to consult a nutritionist or healthcare professional to ensure it's right for your body and health condition. Will this challenge deliver surprising results or turn out to be just another far-fetched idea? Let's dive into the journey and find out.
The first few days, 7 days. Imagine this. It's the first morning of your challenge. You open the fridge and there it is, nothing but beef. No veggies, no bread, no fruit. Instead of your usual breakfast of cereal or eggs, all you've got is a steak. Sounds exciting at first, right? But it's not as easy as it seems. At the beginning, your taste buds might actually enjoy the novelty. Beef is always a winner, isn't it? But by the second or third day, monotony starts creeping in. Eating the same thing over and over makes you question, can I really stick to this for 30 days? Then your body starts reacting. You might feel bloated, have some digestive issues, or even start craving a little something sweet, maybe your favorite snack or dessert. This is totally normal because your body is used to running on carbohydrates as its primary energy source. Now, as you switch to only meat, your body needs time to adjust. This phase is known as energy transition. During this time, your body gradually shifts from using glucose from carbs to burning fat for energy. This process is called ketosis. But let's be real, it's not an easy transition. It's like filling your car with a completely new type of fuel. At first, the engine sputters. You might feel a dip in energy, your mood could be all over the place, and your body just needs time to get used to this new way of fueling itself. But if you hang in there, will things get better? That's exactly what we'll explore in the days ahead. Adaptation phase, 7 to 14 days. After a few tough days, something strange starts happening. Your cravings for carbs and sweets gradually disappear. You begin to get used to eating beef every single day. And believe it or not, there might even be mornings when you find yourself craving a steak for breakfast. That's when your body begins to enter ketosis, a state where fat becomes your primary energy source. But this adaptation doesn't just affect your energy levels. You may start noticing some interesting mental shifts as well. Your mood stabilizes, and the sluggishness from those early days is replaced with sharper focus and alertness. Many people report feeling lighter and more relaxed, almost as if their bodies are running more efficiently. However, not everyone has the same experience. Some people still struggle with the monotony of the diet. Think about it. Eating beef 3 times a day. Even the tastiest steak can lose its appeal when it's all you have. Grilled beef, fried beef, boiled beef. You can try switching it up, but there's no escaping the repetition. During this phase, your body also starts showing more noticeable changes. You might see the number on the scale drop, especially as fat begins to melt away. But the question is, are you losing fat or just water weight? On top of that, Some people report deeper, more restful sleep and waking up feeling refreshed. But there are also challenges, like dry mouth or bad breath, common signs of ketosis. While these symptoms can be unpleasant, they indicate that your body is adapting to the new diet. Adaptation is tough, but if you push through, you'll reach a whole new state, one where your body feels almost reprogrammed. And that's exactly what you'll discover in the final days of this challenge.
Results after 30 days. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The results after 30 days of eating only beef. By the end of the challenge, noticeable changes start to show in both your body and your mind. Physically, one of the first things you'll likely notice is weight loss. You might drop a few pounds, especially from excess fat. Some people report a smaller waistline and leaner muscles. Surprisingly, even without carbs, strength and endurance don't seem to take much of a hit. In fact, some even feel more energized during workouts. But not all changes are positive. Some people feel weaker toward the end of the challenge, or struggle to maintain their usual workout intensity. This highlights that this diet isn't suitable for everyone. Mentally, you may notice a more stable mood. Stress and anxiety seem to take a back seat, and you might find it easier to focus on daily tasks. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The monotony of the diet can wear on you, making meals feel boring and uninspiring. Taste buds also undergo a shift. On day 1, beef might taste delicious, but by the end of the month, even your favorite steak could lose its appeal. That perfect ribeye? It's just not the same. Instead, you might start dreaming about a slice of bread, a juicy apple, or even a plate of greens. How does your body respond overall? You might notice smoother skin, more stable digestion, and for some, improved gut health. But others could face issues like dry mouth or difficulty digesting. It all comes down to how your body adapts to this restrictive diet. Most importantly, you start to truly understand the impact food has on your body. Eating just one type of food, like beef, makes both its benefits and drawbacks glaringly obvious. So, after 30 days, the big question is, would you continue this diet? This is the moment to reflect, not just on your personal experience, but also through the lens of science and balance. Scientific insights. So, what's the science behind these changes? What actually happens inside your body when you eat nothing but beef for 30 days? Let's break it down. Energy transition, from carbs to fat. In a typical diet, your body relies on glucose from carbohydrates as its primary energy source. When you completely eliminate carbs, your body has to find an alternative. That's when fat, both from your food and your body's stored reserves, becomes the main fuel. This process is called ketosis, where your liver produces ketones to power your body and brain. Benefits. Ketones are considered a more stable energy source, reducing hunger and improving focus. Drawbacks. The transition can lead to what's known as keto flu, symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and feeling sluggish during the first few days. Beef and nutritional value. Beef is a powerhouse of nutrients, offering high-quality protein and fat, especially saturated fat. Here's what it brings to the table. Protein, essential for maintaining muscle mass and supporting overall body function. Vitamins and minerals, packed with iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, all of which are crucial for cellular health and a functioning nervous system. However, beef lacks certain nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables, which can lead to potential imbalances if consumed exclusively for too long. Scientific debates and controversies. Traditional studies have often linked high red meat consumption to heart disease, cancer, gout, and diabetes. However, many of these studies are epidemiological, observational research that doesn't prove direct cause and effect. They are also influenced by healthy user bias, meaning people who eat less meat tend to lead healthier lifestyles overall. Recently,
some scientists have been advocating for more in-depth research into meat-only diets to better understand their true effects. For now, though, we should approach this diet cautiously and avoid jumping to conclusions. Conclusion. After 30 days of eating nothing but beef, you may notice significant changes in both your body and mind. But the question remains, was this challenge truly worth it? What you learned physically. A beef-only diet can help you lose weight, shed fat, and maintain muscle thanks to its high protein content. However, the lack of fiber and essential nutrients from fruits and vegetables could lead to problems if followed for too long. Mentally, many people report feeling more focused and emotionally stable as their body adapts to ketosis. Yet, the monotony of the diet poses a major challenge, especially when meals lose their appeal. Health-wise, while the diet might offer short-term benefits, the long-term risks, such as nutritional imbalances, increased cholesterol, or potential heart issues, are factors you need to seriously consider. What works for you? There's no one-size-fits-all diet. Your unique biology, lifestyle, and health goals all play a role in determining what's best for you. This experiment highlights the profound impact food has on your body, emphasizing the importance of listening to what it needs. If you're over 50 and searching for a diet that works for you, the key is to start small and observe how your body reacts. A beef-only diet could be an interesting experiment, but it's not something that should necessarily become a long-term routine. This journey not only gives you a deeper understanding of your body, but also highlights the importance of making mindful choices about what you eat. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Think about it, give it a try, and observe how your body responds. If you've had any interesting experiences or have questions, don't hesitate to share your thoughts. We can always learn from one another. If you found this journey helpful, make sure to hit like, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future challenges. Thanks for watching.